Stop saying that. You never
It's a
say
singing vlog
that.
today.
No.
A singing vlog today. Come on, sing along.
No.
You wanted to, didn't you?
No. Are you coming to the assembly?
No. I'll sing along and you'll go, "No, Dad, stop!" Won't you?
Well, I have to sing along.
Yeah, I don't, so.
Well, we kind of have a part in the assembly, so.
Oh, do you?
Oh,
We're early.
we're stuck outside.
It's only rain. Jeez.
And slash wet
Yeah.
and mud and ice.
It's all the things that little girls are made of. Okay, well, you have fun. Okay, I love you. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Have fun.
Okay.
Don't fall on the ice. There goes the little girl. Big one's already there. And now I'm free. I'm free. Well, now what? Let's go do something fun. Let's go this way. Well, back home. It's a little dark. Power's out for some reason. That doesn't happen very often. We're in the city. Oh well. Oh! Power's back on. That's funny. I get to set all the clocks now. There goes my day. Well, I thought I'd come outside and just do some playing around. It's raining out. I'm really glad that I did my exhaust yesterday. Because if I didn't do it yesterday, it would be today. And it wouldn't be fun. Anyways, I went to use this yesterday. It's not making the clicky sounds it's supposed to. Well, it works one way, but not the other. Now, this is a Mastercraft, and I believe this one is guaranteed for life. But instead of taking it back, I'm going to clean it, and that's probably all it needs. This little spring clip retainer thing here comes off. See, it's kind of rusty. Could be an indication of what's inside. Da, 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 da. Oh, look, rust. Well, let's clean that up. I'm gonna put my fancy gloves on. Usually don't do this to work with this, but it is that time of year where my fingers start to crack, and that this stuff's probably gonna hurt. So let's take a look. If I turn this one way, that moves one way. This other way just doesn't do it. Probably just rust in it. Yeah. Give it a clean up, and see if we put it back together, what'll happen. Oh, already it's just other side. Both sides are working great. Look at that. Well, now that we've got this working properly, I'm going to put a little bit of oil in it. I'm just going to use this all-purpose stuff because it's handy, it's light, and it'll work fine. We don't need a ton either. There we go. Just get a little work in. One way, other way. Yeah, that's made a huge difference. Last thing is to put our little retaining spring on. How's that go? There we go. So the reason I said not a lot of oil in this is because oil collects dirt. And you've seen where I work. I lay under the car in the gravel, and sometimes on a carpet. That's just sweet. I tell you, that's a nice carpet. So let's try not to get things messed up more than they need to be by putting too much of something. So look at that, brand new. Perfect. Thought while I'm fixing ratchets, I've got oil out anyway, so just lube up some other ones. This is one of my favorite ones. It's a King Dick brand. It's from England. And that's actually a brand. Who knew? You can still order these tools. I don't know if I could suggest searching for King Dick on Google, but I did, and I got the ratchet. Anyways, it's working fine. Or it was working fine. There we go. A little stiff. Pun aside. Okay. That's all good. I just mixed up some of this stuff. And I'm going to go clean the windows in the car. They need it. You know, the winter you get that hazy stuff. It's all the smuts from your breath sticking to the windows. It's all the, you know, the defroster blowing it there. It's kind of nasty. Anyways, I want to clean the windows. I'm going to. Let's get at it. You're probably wondering why use such a strong cleaner on the windows. Well, because they're dirty. I want to get them clean. I don't know. I can't tell right now. But they look clean. They're not. So we'll make them clean. Let's do this. You see the difference? Yeah, I can't either. That one's cleaner than this one. This one's next. Heck. Some of that's coming off the rubber trim, but there's still stuff on the windows. This is a magic eraser. Look, nothing there. So the whole idea of this magic eraser thing is get the stuff you can't see. Okay, this side's done, and you can see it's clean. See this side, you can see a little haze and there's streaks in it. And that's just moisture from my breath. Let's do this other side and see what we get. Look, there's a haze that just won't quite go away. That's what we're trying to get rid of. Maybe it should be drier. See that? It's all still smuts. And we're going to keep trying to take it off. So this one was tougher, this side of the window, or side of the car. And that's because it doesn't get done as much. Well, I got to do the rest of the windows real quick. I'm not going to do the back side ones, but I'll do the back passenger seat ones. I'm not going to do the far back. And yeah, I'll pack her up. Nice to have a clean car. Looks pretty clean. There we go. Clean windows. I like that. Got the urge to clean the windows yesterday when I was out in the little car and it started to fog up and, well, just bad splotchy stuff. Then I took a napkin and tried to wipe it. It just smeared. So when I was I was on my way to get groceries. When I was in the grocery store, I bought some the Mr. Clean magic erasers and some paper towel and another jug of that blue stuff. This stuff, it's not booze. So yeah, did that and cleaned those windows yesterday. Actually, I did it in the parking lot. And now these are done. These are perfect now. Just how I like them. You can see out of them. It's important. Well, I think that's where I'm going to wrap it up today. Oh, actually, no, I'm not. I've got to measure something. When I was out earlier, I popped into Habitat for Humanity because I like doing that. Ooh, that's going to work well. And I found a piece of pipe. It's going to be perfect. And it was this schedule 20, schedule 40. I don't know what it is. But it is the perfect size for this, for my furler. So that's I'm gonna have to get some of that. I'll have to measure and see exactly how much I need, but we'll get on that as soon as it gets a little warmer. And I also when I can store some stuff outside because, well, a little cold out right now, snowy, and it makes a mess. Stuff gets hidden under the snow. So yeah, so I'm gonna wrap it up here now. Thanks for watching. Click clicky things. We'll see you tomorrow.